How to make Keto Teriyaki Salmon with Veggies. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For teriyaki sauce: 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons coconut aminos, 3 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon unseasoned rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons fresh ginger, minced, 3 teaspoons fresh garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 tablespoon low-carb brown sugar replacement. For salmon and veggies: 28-ounce salmon, 10-ounce broccoli, halved florets, 10-ounce green cabbage, chopped, 1 medium red chili pepper. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat oven to 375 F. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 3. Over high heat, add soy sauce, coconut aminos, coconut oil, rice vinegar, sesame oil, minced ginger, minced garlic, sesame seeds, and brown sugar replacement to a pan. Let it boil, then cover it and let it simmer. This becomes the teriyaki sauce. 4. On the baking sheet, line the salmon along with the broccoli, cabbage, and red chili pepper. Drizzle the teriyaki sauce over all of this. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked thoroughly. 5. Serve immediately and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Teriyaki Salmon with Veggies. Each serving comes out to be 594 calories, 38.3 grams fat, 8.5 grams net carbs, and 48 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.